Withdrawing money from Wise to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account by visiting the Wise website or opening the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Balances section. Once logged in, locate the Balances section on your dashboard. This area displays all the currencies you hold in your Wise account. Step 3. Select the currency to withdraw. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw from your Wise account. Click on the specific currency balance to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Click on Withdraw. After selecting the currency, look for the Withdraw button. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process, which will take you to the next step. Step 5. Enter bank account details and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank for the arrival of the funds, which may take a few days depending on your bank's processing times.